So that was interesting. Excellent. Sure. Be cool. Very good.
Hey there, freaks and geeks. Hello, Cincinnati.
Hey!
I was very honored when asked by the Horror Host Hall of Fame to induct the magnificently macabre Misty Brew. Her late-night creature feature show hauntingly entertained the Midwest throughout the 1980s. Her cult following continues to this day with various convention appearances around the U.S. and a new web series. If there was a Mount Rushmore of female horror hosts, Misty Brew would be right up there with Vampira and Elvira.
Yes.
So, Misty Brew, this award's for you. Come on up.
I would normally say, hello, human creatures, but I don't see that many human creatures out there right now. I'm surrounded with ghouls and horror hosts, and it's just overwhelming, actually. So, first of all, I would like to say thank you to the Horror Hound Festival for having me. Thank you so much, Creepy Castle, the wonderful people there. When we first started the creature feature at KBSI in the early 80s, actually. 80s, it's been that long ago. There was not any local horror hostesses around. When we first started this, it was only really local TV stations, just maybe 2 to 3 of them. And then all of a sudden, Fox came along about 7 years later. And from there, I went to Transylvania, got in a coffin, and just took off. And then I was rediscovered by a wonderful fan. And of course, Frankie, my wonderful friend Frankie, opened the coffin, and I came rediscovered, if you will. But back in those days, when we really first started our creature feature, I started in a set at the KBSI TV station. It was all dark. We had cue cards. We didn't even have a teleprompter. So it was meager means. It was mentioned that there wasn't, see my teeth are falling out. That's how old I am, my teeth are falling out. You're lucky you didn't get one on you. So I need these things. So, but anyway, there was not much money in it. It was for the fun of it. It was for just the pure love of the horror films. My favorite film was Night of the Living Dead. That is classic, and I love it to this day. There are so many more, but that is the best. But as the years went by, we did many horror, haunted houses. We did things for charity. We just had a really good time. We were a close group. It was with Paul Walker, Brian Upton, Scott Kelly, back in those days. And then when we made the TV guide, we thought we made it really big then. We made the TV guide 1 October. We thought, yay! So we really made it, and that was about it, at the time. So then as time went on, like I said, the Fox came along, and then I went back to Transylvania. Then all of a sudden, about a year ago, a huge fan, Timex Seaball, right there he sits. He contacted me, Misty Brew. So we decided to maybe bring this back, because now there's internet, there's cell phones, for gosh sakes. So there's so many things that we could do now. So he approached me, and of course Frankie missed me, so we decided to bring this back, and it has been great fun. So with that being said, I would like to thank everyone here, especially thank everyone here. I do want to cut this short. I would like to thank my human creature family, Mark, Julia Gulia, I call her, Tornari Taylor. I would like to thank you, Timex, Brian Upton, Brad Hunchcraft, and all of you. Thank you so much for even having me here. This is beyond what it's for me. I'm just like, woo! Yeah!